The fourth point is that you have to be a man who is secured enough to allow your woman fly. And that is what will keep her afraid of losing you. Be secured enough to allow her fly. The other time I was conversing with a group of guys, and all of them were saying that why would a lady I'm dating take a guy's number? I was so confused about what kind of generation is this one? What kind of generation is this? Good. Because you are dating the person, she should not take anyone's number. What kind of mindset is this one? And it boils down to the first and the second point. If you are dating someone, you know that the person is so faithful, has built the virtue of faithfulness. The person is God loving, will not do anything that God does not want. You are so secured. So if you begin to think like this, it means that you are not actually secured. And as I said, your only security is that your partner loves God. Any other thing is a risk.